Put a potato in your indoor plants, and you'll never waste a plant again. Start by peeling a few potatoes. Potatoes are among the most commonly consumed vegetables. Typically, we use only their flesh, while the peels end up in the trash. This time, however, don't throw the peels away as usual. Potato skins are packed with nutrients like starch, potassium, and phosphorus, which you can easily put to use at home. Collect the peels and place them in a jar. Choose a container large enough to hold all the peels. Next, cover the scraps with water, ensuring they are fully submerged. Finally, seal the jar. If you don't have a lid, tightly wrap the top of the jar with aluminum foil. The potato mixture needs time to develop its benefits, so store it in the refrigerator for a week. During this time, the peels will release potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium into the water. After a week, strain the liquid into another container and discard the peels. They are no longer needed. And that's it. You now have a natural fertilizer, perfect for watering indoor plants, garden flowers, and vegetables. This water is an excellent source of minerals that will strengthen your plants, ensuring abundant blooms and healthy growth. It's a simple, eco-friendly way to transform potato peels into a nourishing elixir for your garden. Geraniums will droop under the weight of the flowers. Just one ingredient is needed. Geraniums can amaze with intense blooming all season long. There's no need to use expensive fertilizers or chemicals. This natural feed works wonders and only takes a few minutes to prepare. All you need are a few medium-sized potatoes, which have magical powers I'll tell you about shortly. Peel the potatoes. You don't need to do it too carefully. Then prepare a grater and grate them coarsely. Add the grated potatoes to boiling water. Cook for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. After cooking, let it cool. Then strain through a sieve. The liquid you get is the ready-made fertilizer. Used once every 2 to 3 weeks, it supports blooming, strengthens the plants, and improves their appearance. Potatoes are a source of potassium and phosphorus, elements essential for lush flowers. This is a simple way to enjoy healthy, beautiful geraniums without spending money. Nourishing smoothie for peonies and hydrangeas. Your garden will overflow with blooms, and it's made from ingredients you usually throw away. The first ingredient, banana peels. They're a natural elixir packed with everything your flowers need to grow strong and healthy. They boost blooming and plant immunity. Peel 2 bananas and toss the peels into a blender. Next, add eggshells, full of calcium, magnesium, and potassium to support root development and strengthen stems. Throw in a few shells. Now add coffee grounds, a real treat for plants. Rich in nitrogen, they promote leafy growth and improve soil structure. Add 5 tablespoons of dried grounds to the blender. Pour in 1 liter of water to bring everything together. Blend for about 2 minutes until smooth. You've just made an all-natural, eco-friendly liquid fertilizer. Store it in an airtight container. Water your peonies and hydrangeas with it once a week, and they'll reward you with lush, vibrant blooms. It's like a home spa treatment for your garden. Additionally, its flowers bloom longer and keep a more intense color. If you're wondering why your hydrangea will grow like this, try this trick. It's all about a special eco-friendly fertilizer made from orange peels. To prepare a homemade fertilizer for hydrangeas from orange peels, just follow a few steps. Peel the oranges, then spread the peels on a baking tray. Bake them in the oven at about 260 degrees Fahrenheit for around 2 hours. After that, take them out. Once they cool down, blend them. Transfer the blended peels into a jar. Using it is very easy and quick. Simply sprinkle it over the top layer of soil and add the peels. You can also turn this fertilizer into a perfect spray. Mix the peels from the jar with water and pour it into a spray bottle. Orange peels slightly acidify the soil, which is very beneficial for flowers. This natural fertilizer also works as a repellent against aphids. Your hydrangeas will look better than ever. Instead of pouring it out, pour it under your plants. They'll reward you with lush growth and beautiful flowers. The key to healthy plants is regular care and proper feeding. Pour about 1 quart of water into a tall container. Then take some coffee grounds, a real treasure trove of nitrogen, phosphorus, and magnesium. They strengthen the roots, boost growth, and improve blooming. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds to the water. The next ingredient is rice, preferably white and unpolished. It contains magnesium, iron, starch, zinc, and potassium, everything your plants need to thrive and bloom. Add 2 tablespoons of rice. Now it's time for eggshells, an excellent source of easily absorbed calcium that strengthens plant cell walls and protects them from disease. Crush a few shells in a mortar, break them into small pieces, and add them to the mixture. Stir everything well and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Prepare a large bottle, pour in the whole mixture, and top it up with another quart of water. Mix again. Make a small hole in the bottle cap. This natural fertilizer works for every type of plant. Use it once a week, and you'll notice stronger roots and more abundant flowering. Your plants will love it. Just 1 tablespoon of this mixture, and your plants will be covered with beautiful, full blooms. With this fertilizer, your potted flowers will have large, green leaves. The key to beautiful plants is regular care and proper feeding. To start, grab a blender and add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon has antifungal and antibacterial properties. It protects the roots and supports their growth. The next ingredient is coffee. It's a source of nitrogen, which promotes leaf growth and improves soil quality. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee to the blender. Now it's time for rice. Best to use white, unrefined rice. Rice contains B vitamins, iron, potassium, and phosphorus. These nutrients help with flowering and plant immunity. Add 1 tablespoon. Blend all the ingredients into a fine powder. In this form, the plants will absorb the nutrients more quickly and effectively. Transfer the mixture to a smaller container. Add 1 tablespoon to the soil in the pot and gently mix it in. This fertilizer works for all types of plants, both flowering and green ones. Use it every 2 weeks. That's all you need to see amazing results quickly, naturally, effectively, and completely for free, using ingredients you already have at home. This fertilizer costs nothing, and your plants will reward you with lush blooms. This homemade plant tonic works wonders. The key to beautiful plants is regular care and proper feeding. Plants need nutrients to grow strong and bloom abundantly. Start by preparing a large bowl and a strainer. Pour in about 8 ounces of dry rice. White, unpolished rice works best. Rice contains starch, magnesium, iron, potassium, and zinc, all the essentials your plants need. Add about 4 cups of cold water, just enough to fully cover the rice. Stir it well by hand and let it sit for about 15 minutes. During this time, the rice will release its valuable nutrients into the water. Remove the strainer. The water should look slightly cloudy. That's a sign it contains dissolved minerals. Pour the rice water into a container that makes watering easy. This fertilizer works for all types of plants. Use it once a week. You'll notice the difference quickly. Your plants will become healthy and full, natural, effective, and completely free.